Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So welcome to today's general awareness session and we are on day 18 of October 2021. So guys, these are the topics which we'll be talking about today. So we'll be discussing about New Zealand's Waxathon, the two new varieties of cassava and the supplies which India is going to deliver to Afghanistan along with some obituaries. So I hope you all are doing well. So let's get started with the session. But before that, I would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, join our Telegram channel, link for which is in the description box below. Through the Telegram channel, through the link you will directly be redirected to the PDF of this session. And guys, we are running a NABARD sale where we are offering you 40% off on our NABARD courses. Just use code NABARD40 and 31st October is the last date to avail the discount. So let's get started with the session. The first question is that which of the following countries has administered record-breaking number of vaccine shots under the vaccine drive Waxathon? So which vaccine are we talking about? We are talking about COVID vaccine. And the options are US, UK, New Zealand, India or China. The right answer is New Zealand. So just relate the word Waxathon with New Zealand. And in October 2021, New Zealand has vaccinated 2.5% of its population in a single day. The numbers are more than 1,20,000 vaccine doses were administered in a single day. So the capital of New Zealand is Wellington and the currency is New Zealand dollar. So what are the key points to remember over here? Well, the vaccine drive name was Waxathon. 2.5% of population was vaccinated in a single day and the numbers were greater than 1,20,000 vaccines in a single day. So remember, New Zealand is the country. Next, the Aiker Central Tuber Crop Research Institute has introduced two new disease-resistant and high-yielding varieties of cassava. Cassava has been identified as a part of the center's One District, One Product initiative for Dash. I will give you a hint. The state is Tamil Nadu. You have to tell me of which district is cassava identified as the One District, One Product initiative. The options are Madurai, Tirupur, Salem, Thanjavur or Dharampuri. The right answer is Salem. So the Aiker Central Tuber Crop Research Institute Thiruvananthapuram has identified two new disease-resistant and high-yielding varieties of cassava in Tamil Nadu. Cassava has been identified as the part of Center's One District, One Product initiative for Salem. So these are the two key takeaways for this particular news. That two new varieties of cassava have been introduced from Tamil Nadu and One District, One Product initiative. Cassava has been identified as the centers, a part of One District, One Product initiative, also called ODOP for Salem district, which is in Tamil Nadu. Guys, this is a really important point to remember. You do need to remember that cassava has been identified as a part of centers One District, One Product initiative for Salem, Tamil Nadu. So I hope this is clear. And we can move on to the next topic, that is India has decided to deliver 50,000 metric tons of wheat and medical supplies to which of the following countries? The options are Japan, Afghanistan, Venezuela, Russia or Indonesia. The right answer is Afghanistan. So as we all know that Taliban has taken over Afghanistan and now India has decided to provide 50,000 metric tons of wheat and medical supplies to Afghanistan amid warnings that the country might suffer a catastrophic famine this winter. So last year India had given 75,000 metric tons of food and medical supplies to to Afghanistan, and this year again India has decided to give 50,000 metric tons of food and medical supplies to Afghanistan amid the the chances that the country might suffer a catastrophic famine this year. Along with that, capital of Afghanistan, well, it's Kabul, and the currency is Afghani. What are the key things to remember? Well, first of all, India will be supplying 50,000 metric tons of supplies to Afghanistan, and as usual we'll be covering the capital and currency of the country that is in news. So capital is Kabul, currency is Afghani. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the next topic, that is, now we'll be talking about two obituaries. The first one is of Saranjeet Singh. So Saranjeet Singh has passed away. He played which of the following sports? The options are cricket, martial arts, hockey, badminton, or none of the above. The right answer is hockey. So Saranjeet Singh was an international hockey player who has passed away recently. Next we have Farrukh Jafar has passed away. She belonged to which of the following fields? The options are she was an actor, cricketer, musician, dancer, or social activist. The right answer is actor. So veteran actor Farrukh Jafar, known for performing in films like Gulabo Sitabo and Sultan. So she was an actor. So she has recently passed away. So she belonged to Bollywood. So I hope this is clear, guys. And this was it for today's session. Thank you very much for joining in. Signing off, Devanshu Gupta.